You call me Holy Mother. But are you respectful like that? Do you know what I am? Ganesha knew. Once his father said that whosoever goes round the Mother Earth first, I'll give that person a present. So another brother, Kartikeya, he had a nice vahana, a nice vehicle, was a peacock. While Ganesha had just a little rat, a mouse. He could never have competed with him. So he said, who is greater than my mother? She is the greatest of all. What is this Mother Earth or anyone? She can create so many Mother Earths like that. So she just went round her and he got the prize. And this Kartikeya was still flying. So that is what it is, to understand the auspiciousness. I mean, though I must say I am a Mahamaya, no doubt, it's not easy. You will never know me fully, never. That should not be. Because then you won't sit here, you'll all run away. But despite that, try to understand. As Ganesha has understood his mother, you have to understand. That extent is rather difficult, but still try. That this is the power sitting before. How we behave, how we talk, how we take decisions, what we do is all wrong. If this doesn't penetrate into your brains, that means Kundalini has not come there. People could not raise even one Kundalini, one person's Kundalini. Even this artist who came, she said, how can it be possible? I am not I've done nothing. I am not a person who is a saint. How can I get realization? She was telling me like this. How can it be, Mother? But you all got it, no doubt. None of you have doubts about it. And not only that it's happening through me, but you also can do it now. Who can do this kind of a thing in the history of spirituality? But I keep a kind of a image of myself. I joke, I make fun, I do everything just like a normal mother. But that should not give you liberties. That should not. Some people have written very rude letters to me. I must tell you, be careful. You can't write rude letters to me. Better not. When you suffer, then you will say, Mother, this has happened, that has happened. You have no business to write rude letters to me. And though I read them, and I forgive, no doubt, because you are ignorant. But you must have knowledge. You must understand this, that whom are you writing and what you are writing. This side is, of course, we have to see that Sri Ganesha has also a parasha in his hand. He is one of the most strict deity, very strict. Others may a little bit hesitate, but he cannot tolerate. That's why Christ has said that I will tolerate anything against me, but nothing against the Holy Ghost. Clearly he has warned. Clearly. Because he has a parasha in his hand. And people get punished, no doubt. So this is another thing one has to understand, that Sri Ganesha has this parasha. And you too all have this parasha in your hand, which you don't know. Anybody who will try to trouble you will be in trouble. But what is missing is the faith. Not blind, but enlightened faith. If you have enlightened faith, then it works. There's one gentleman working in London airport. He's an Indian, but I think he was looked after by some Western foreigner people. Very good man. So he cannot come to programs, he's very busy and all that, he cannot. But if I am in the airport, he knows I am there. Some people try to trouble him. So he said that, don't trouble me, my mother is very strong, and don't trouble me. They wouldn't listen. 3 of them. And 3 of them next day lost their jobs. They said, why? I said, we don't know. The boss told us you get out of jobs. We don't know how we lost our jobs. And still today they haven't got jobs. He said, I told you. He said, who is your mother? Let us meet her also. You see, this is what has happened to us. Sorry, we did this. But nothing works out now. So you must have full faith in Sahaja Yoga, in me, and in yourself. Those who do not have faith in themselves, how can they have faith in others? This is another one thing you must understand, that you have tremendous powers. Tremendous powers. If you have faith. You just pray. Mother, I want this gentleman to be cured, or this lady to be cured. It will be cured. You don't have to even touch that person. But your faith. Like yesterday they brought one lady. I was very busy, I was talking, doing this. These are the only 2-3 days when I have to really work very hard with other problems. And I couldn't see her. I said, why don't you go and cure? You can cure. Why should any Sahaja Yogi suffer from anything when there are other Sahaja Yogis? Why should I cure anymore? You all just put your hands and see if you can cure or not. Even your prayers are so powerful, you have no idea. Just pray. You have got the parsha in your hand, and nobody can harm. And you have got the hand that can bless others. You have got that. You start your generosity and see, the Lakshmi will flow. But if you are not generous, calculating each and every pie, finished. Why should you? The Lakshmi will serve you. Know your powers. As Sri Ganesha knew it very well. He never bothered. Even with an elephant head, he managed so many things. With human heads, you should manage much better. But you need elephant heads. Then another thing he has, that he is a satisfied person, extremely satisfied. And what he eats is the modaka they have given me just now here, is the modaka he eats. So, that means that he eats something which is substantial, which has got all these dry fruits and everything in it. That's what he eats. And that is one capacity he has to eat, because you can please him by giving him things. But mine is the other way around. I can't eat much and you want to give me. I don't know, he has taken all my capacity to eat, I think. But he can eat well. And whatever you eat, if you think of him, Sri Ganesha, I offer you this food also. You will never find dearth of food at all. Never. Anything you want, like the other day it was very hot. They said, Mother, cool it down. I said, all right. As soon as I cooled it down, left to the right, Sri Ganesha comes up. So he came with full force. He cooled it down and drained and drained and drained. Brought water also, because there was no water in these streams. You had to do your foot soaking, so water came also. And water testing, in one thing, how much happened? He tested you, he saw you, nothing happened. Even a little tent was not blown off. It was all fun. This is what is that you are also a testing ground for others. Immediately you will know what sort of a man is. You are so powerful. Use your powers. Use your powers. But what happens if your attention is on other things? It's not pure. Attention is on other. Keep attention on Sri Ganesh. Keep attention on me. Everything will work out. Why should you work when he is there to work out everything for you? His ganas are there to work out for you. So put your attention in such a way that you know you are alert, daksha. You are alert. You know where is your attention. And then you see the attention, how it works. I never expected that I'll mature you so fast, but you have matured. But unless until you know yourself fully what you have got, how am I to give you certificate? Even if I give certificate, you won't believe. Like they say, you are graduated. Now you are not only graduated, but you are masters. Otherwise, I would never have told you to ask for Guru Pada. You are Pravinas now. Praveen means a master. Use your mastery. But still you are sitting at home, this, that. My father is sick. Go and treat him. You are a master. Like Sri Ganesha, such a little thing like that is the master. You are also masters. The ladies also should know they are also masters. Instead of getting involved into smaller things and brick bats and all that, tries. The another great quality of him is that he uses his teeth to write. Teeth come to you from Sri Krishna. Wisdom of Sri Krishna, which becomes the Virat, the brain. So he uses the teeth to write. He wrote Mahabharata with his teeth. So it is said that you must use your brain with the enlightenment of Sri Krishna and write and produce it into books. All these gurus have been successful because they created books. And these books were read by people and they were so much impressed because anything black and white becomes something great. You can also make nice dramas as you had made. You can approach the televisions and things that we have a nice drama for children. Now think about going into people. Live with the society, live with them, deliver to them what you have got. It is your duty. Is not only that, but it is also, it's a special privilege to you. I mean, for today, as it is, we had to delay, and I've tried to give you some points about Sri Ganesh. I think even if you give me 100 lectures, I cannot finish it. It's so great. It's like an ocean to me. So I hope you will understand the essential, fundamental principles of Sri Ganesha. And what is innocence is. First is wisdom. May God bless you.